Welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be preparing one of the most delicious cuisine and well known in the Middle East. But first we need طماطم مقطعة، بصل مقطع، بقدونس مقطع، و600 جرام من الرز. زيت زيتون، ملعقة صغيرة من الكمون، ملعقة صغيرة من الفلفل الأسود، ملعقة صغيرة من الكاري، ملعقة صغيرة من الفلفل الأبيض عصفر، ملعقة ونصف كبيرة من الملح، ملعقة كبيرة من دبس الرمان، I turned the stove off and added 30 grams of lemon juice. ورقة عنب، After finishing rolling them, we put them on the stove and add lahem. This is not compulsory if you want to go vegan. Then next step, I add this. If you don't have it, you could add a plate, but this is mandatory to do. You must put something on top of the vine leaves. What I'm adding now is the meat soup that I already filtered from my boiled meat. You could add boiled water instead. Close it, put it on stove and let it boil for a whole hour. Ta-da-da-da! Result time! Now I add lemon. Oh, the smell, it smells so good and the taste is beyond that. For people who likes cooking, I highly recommend you to try it out, to do it at home. This is a must-try recipe. The rice is cooked. Everything's just so good about it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. صحتين. يم يم.